Hello and welcome to our drawing tutorial Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful night scene with a tree and a full moon. Grab your art supplies and let's get started. First, let's draw the tree. Begin by drawing the trunk on the left side of the paper. Start with the wide base and make it narrower as you go up. Add branches that twist and turn, creating an interesting silhouette. Now let's draw the moon. Draw a large circle in the sky slightly off center to the right. Make sure it's big enough to be a focal point of your drawing. Now we will draw the horizon line about one third of the way up from the bottom of your paper. Draw a straight horizontal line. This will separate the sky from the water. Next, we will add the reflections in the water directly below the moon. Draw vertical lines that taper off as they move downward. These lines should be slightly wavy to mimic the movement of water. Let's add the background trees. Draw a jagged line along the horizon, creating the appearance of distant trees. Make sure to vary the heights to give it a natural look. Now it's time to add the birds. Use small dots to scatter birds throughout the tree. Add more birds closer to the moon and fewer as you move outward. Finally, let's add some shading and color. Use dark shades of blue and black for the sky and water if you want. And there you have it. You have created a stunning night scene with a tree and a full moon. Feel free to add more details or colors to make it your own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more drawing tutorials. See you next time. Thank you.